Not only is this the only belt I use, it happens to be the only belt I own. Here, let me show it to you. Oh, snap. Hey, I need the production assistant to get me some paracord or something to hold my pants up. Okay, well that's always a little embarrassing. What we're going to do is go to the tabletop, that way I don't have to worry about my pants falling down. Okay, so this is the OD Nexbelt EDC Gun Belt, they call it. It's a basically real simple just design. It's got the plastic ratchet set up here, that ratchets through the buckle, and you undo it right here. And it's really that simple. You can cut this to size, clamp it on here. You're supposed to put little bolts in here. I didn't do that. It's never come off. I've had no problems. It's really great, simple to use. It's probably coming up on 4 years. Occasionally there'll be like a little piece of string or whatever that comes off. Like that. Just cut the excess off. You can see it's probably, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, a little faded through there where it gets used a lot. But yeah, it's held up great for $50. This is a tremendous belt. That's just a short little review. Yeah, I don't have enough good things to say about this. I was turned on to this company by my friend Lou. And yeah, it was worth every penny. I think I got a coupon online somewhere that let me get it for a little bit cheaper. I want to say I paid like 40 bucks, maybe a little less for it. Currently, I think it's sitting at like 52 or 54. Money well spent. If you get 3-4 years out of a single belt, everyday use, and I'm not exactly a slender guy, the belt's really getting a workout. Never had a problem with it. All right, thanks for watching.